Hello guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel, Craft Ideas with Mumu. So, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make an interesting thing, and that is a photo frame. If you are thinking that you will make a family photo frame or any kind of photo frame, then this video is for you. But if you are not thinking anything like this, then also this video is for you because you can take idea from this video. So watch this video till end so that you can get so beautiful idea of different crafts. So at first I've taken color paper and roll it. I'll make three small roll of paper and three big. If you want, you can make all the same size, then cut the extra, but I've made six small and six big. Oh, that means total is 12 here. So now using glue, I'm sticking all the sticks together. So I'm holding a little bit longer so that it gets stick easily. So I'll stick three of them together. So now I'm using glue again to stick another one here. So you have to take a little bit time to stick them together, but it is very easy to make. You can see the process is so easy. Okay, so done one. You have to make all of them in the same process. So now I'm making the other one. These are the small one, and after that I'll make the big one. So now it's time for the big one. So you can see I'll use three here too. You have to follow the same process for making all of them. We'll need total 4 pieces of them. After sticking together we'll get 4, and before sticking the sticks we'll need 12 sticks. 6 small and 6 big, but you can take all of them in the same size if you wish, then you can cut extra. So you can see, and I'm using binder clip here as they are a little bit bigger than the previous one, so that they can get stick easily. Otherwise you will need to hold it for a long time. Otherwise it may be come out. So now take the photo where you want, which one you want to uh, do, in which one you want to make the frame. So now use glue in one side of it, and then stick the small one here. So I'm sticking the small one here. Stick nicely. So I'm doing this in this way. Now I'll take the big one, but I've made a mistake here, which is I have to big one at first, but you'll need to stick both the small one at first, but later I'll fix it, don't worry. So I forgot to cut this part, so I'm really sorry for that. Please, if you want, you can skip this part of gluing it here. So you can skip it for gluing it. here. So now I'm sticking it, but this is wrong process. You'll do it in here. Don't worry, later I fixed it. You just keep a little bit and then watch from where I stick the small one. So in this moment I understood my mistake, and then immediately I take off the stick from this photo, and now I'm sticking the small one. So you have to follow the same process here. So you can see how I'm doing it. This is very simple and easy. I'm just showing you in very good way so that you can understand. So now you have to add the big stakes here in this way. You have to use glue in the small sticks to attach them. So done. You have to do it in this way. So it is done. Now I'm cutting the extra papers. You can choose any kind of shape here. I have chosen this shape. You can understand later. I have cutted the big uh, papers in straight way and the small pieces in an angling way. You can see how I made it. This process is very simple. I don't think you'll face any problem while making it, but if you face, then you can obviously ask me in the question. I will try to give the answer in any of my video, or I will try to give the answer in the comment box. So in this way I'll cut all the pieces of papers nicely. So done. You can see. Now we'll need quilling paper at this moment for decorating our craft. So I have made some rings using the quilling paper. I didn't show you how to make this. I think this is very easy. You can make it very easily. You will not need to see the process of making it. You'll just need a base for making it, and then just make it round and round. For making these shapes I've used the cap of the glue and one of my gel pen, and here we have the inner part of the pen. Four shapes. So I've used three different objects for making normal ballpoint pen. For making this shape, somewhere I've used only one color, somewhere two colors. You can also use 3 or 4 colors as you wish. Attach them with this process is very easy. I think you can understand it very easily. You have to just so I'm sticking it nicely. You have to hold a little bit so that they get stick nicely. Otherwise there is a possibility of coming out of them. So I hope you understand how to do it. So now you can see it's very easy. I hope you understand how to make this. So it's done. So finally our this beautiful craft is done. So now I will show you the final look. Already you have seen in the video the final look, but I will show you it again. So this is the final look of our craft, which I made. So I this is one of my photo which I wanted to like make it in made it give it in photo frame. You can hang it in any kind of walls in your house, or you can just display it anywhere you wish. You can keep it, use it for decorating your house, and also you can use it as a gift. For example, you can gift it in the Mother's Day, or your mother's birthday, or your father's birthday, or any relative friend's birthday photo frame. So this is also a nice gift. So we are already in end of this video. So if you want any kind of help from me in craft, you can ask in the comment box. And also if you want any kind of craft video in my next video, then you can also comment it here in this comment box. So hope you enjoyed my video. If you like my video, please give a like and comment nice comments. I like to read your beautiful cute comments, and also I give the reply of all the comments. So if you give comments, I will give reply and I will be happy. And also for getting all of my videos, you can subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share if you like my video. If you share my video, then your friends or any other relatives to whom you will share it, they will also get my video, and they can get help from it. So thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed my video, and don't forget to comment if you enjoyed my video and give a like, please.